Um, in behalf of my family, we would like to thank everyone na pumunta. Despite na alam naman namin na sobrang malayo talaga yung venue, lahat talaga nag-effort na pumunta dito. Um, we wish to thank each and every one of you who contributed their time, their effort, and also their financial, sa lahat po ng tumulong sa amin during the event. Nung nag-start pa lang kami na mag-prepare for the wedding, sila Hercel, nung sinamahan po kami sa lahat ng mga errands namin and preparations. Also to my relatives who came all the way from Masbate to Bolinao, Pangasinan, and it literally takes them mga 24 hours just to get here. Sobrang thank you. You don't know how appreciative we are as a couple na nakapunta kayo. Also to the relatives of the bride na pumunta, na despite it took them na 4 hours to travel to Pangasinan. Na-appreciate po namin lahat ng effort. Sobrang happy kami for the I would like also to thank the groomsmen, the bridesmaid who put in their effort para sa amin. Ito yung dream na wedding na pinapangarap namin dalawa ni Kish. Also, hindi naman magiging feasible to lahat kung wala kayong lahat na nandito. So, we all appreciate everything. Kay Marco din also, who traveled from far Finland para makapunta lang on my wedding. Bro, sobrang thank you. And also sa mga relatives ko na walang sawang nag-prepare kaninang umaga. Sobrang thank you. Also kay Bjorn, yung gumawa ng aming lovely cake. Yun, sobrang ganda. Kay Bjorn, sobrang thank you. Sa lahat po ng mga suppliers, kay Event Embassy, thank you. Kay Ram Marcelo, Sir Ram, you don't know how appreciative are we. From a year ago pa na nag-usap tayo, up to this point, kay Ma'am Phoebe, sa Hello and Go Cinema, also sa Tipping Point, kasi naging part din sila ng prenup, sa styling, Sentimental Groove, the band, also for Marga, for all the designs, Marga Flores, also kay Sir Louie, yung Louie Lights and Audio. Sino ba may nalabang? And also for the catering kay Ma'am Regina, sobrang thank you for Regina Sipidal. And also sa Sundowners for accommodating us. Sobrang nagpapasalamat kami kay Sir Carlito. Sir Carlito, sobrang bait for appreciating and for accommodating. Siya pa mismo yung nag-light up ng fireworks para sa amin. Sir Carl, thank you. Sobrang daming tao na kailangan namin pasalamatan. I would like to thank God for giving us this great moment, this great day, and also this lovely weather. I-turn over ko na po yung lahat sa wife ko.
Sa lahat ng pumunta, sa lahat ng suppliers namin, thank you so much sa pagpapaganda ng wedding namin. And ano pa, wala na supplier. Ano pa ba? Kalimutan natin. Yun. Yun. Hindi mo lang. Yung gumawa ng wedding gown ko, yun, si Mark Brides. Tapos, sobrang thank you kahit wala ng tao ngayon. Nagstay pa rin yung mga tao na nagstay. Thank you so much. Sobrang na-appreciate namin. Thank you so much. And have a nice night, evening. Thank you.